Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the Leetcode daily challenge, which is push dominoes. So let me walk you through the problem statement. So there are n dominoes in a line, and if we place each domino vertically upright, in the beginning we simultaneously push some of the dominoes either to the left or to the right. Okay. So basically we have given some dominoes. Dominoes is basically like this. There are some marbles standing standing marbles in a row, and if we push any of the marble, then all of them fall towards the right or left and push the marbles on the left and right side. So that is a dominoes, and you have seen multiple reels on Instagram regarding this. Yeah, where people prepare a very long dominoes of playing cards and all, and just push any single card and it fall down toward the end and push all the dominoes which are adjacent to the one which is falling toward the left or right. Okay. So after each domino that is falling to the left pushes the adjacent dominoes on the left, same thing. And similarly for the right one is pushing the right domino. So and also one case is that if let's suppose this case, two dominoes is falling towards right side and two dominoes is falling toward the left side and middle one is there. So it balanced out. It will remain stable. It will not fall down toward the right or left. Okay, so this is the important case. Then if where L denote that the domino falling toward the left, R denote dominoes is falling toward the right, and dot denote it is not pushed. Okay, so we have to return a final state. So we have given input like this, and we have to return the final state. What will happen if we push the domino like this? Okay, so for the first test case, it is quite simple. If we push this domino toward the right and this one is toward the left, so this one remains stable. Okay, that we have discussed already. Like if domino is falling toward from the left side and one is falling from the right side, then the middle one remains stable. Cool. So this is the important test case, or good test case it is. So we have dot left dot right dot left right dot. So this domino will fall toward the left, so this dot become L. Okay, so this is cool. Then as this is falling toward the left, it will not impact this middle dot, and the right side of this dot is falling toward the right, so it this right domino also does not impact this middle dot, so it will remain stable or same. Then this right domino will impact this domino. Okay, and at the same time this domino will impact this domino, left domino. Then at the second point, means at the second iteration, or at the another second, one is falling from the left side and one is from the right side. So this domino will remain stable. Then we have right and we have left. So this domino will fall toward the right side at first second, and this also fall toward the left side. So this become RRLL. And as this domino is falling toward the left, there is nothing which can impact this domino, because these can be only impacted by the right domino or right push domino. So this will remain same. Hope you understand the test cases. Let's see the constraints. It is 10 to the power 5. So we can't use do loop or brute force approach. Otherwise it will give us the TLE. So we have to think something big of n log n or big of n time approach. So over here, like we need to make some observations. Okay. So these are few observation. So observation one is, if the dot dominoes are surrounded by left and left push domino on the left side and right side. So in that case, what will happen? All the middle dominoes will fall toward the left, right? Because there is no one which can push them toward the right. And similarly over here, we have left push domino on the left side and right push domino on the right side. So these dominoes also will not get impacted, because there is no one can impact them. Left one will fall toward the left and right one will fall toward the right. So this will remain same. Then observation 3 is, both the dominoes on the left and right side is right pushed one. So all this become right. Make sense? Then this is the important test case. Like if domino is falling like left domino is falling toward the right and right domino is falling toward the left. In that case, if we have odd number of dots in between, then one dot will always remain as dot and right and left like this, and other one converted to the right and left like this. Okay, and if we have even number of dots in between, then it is right right and left left, half of them converted to the right and half of them converted to the left. Okay, so this is fine, and we have already discussed this test case. It is same as this, right? So fine, let me walk you through the code that I have written. So initially what I have done, I have appended left and right in the my final in the my input array, because otherwise I need to handle this edge cases separately, the first starting index and the ending index cases. That's why I have appended left and right. It makes me easy to implement the three logics that we have discussed. So this I equal to 0 is more like a left pointer and j equal to 1 is like a right pointer. So we increment this pointer and move it toward the right side. So if dj is equal to dot, then we have to just continue, right? And then we are computing middle, which is basically a difference between this right and left pushed or left and left pushed or right and right pushed dominoes. I mean, here I am calculating how many dots in between, the number of dots between pushed dominoes. Okay, so if my I is greater than equal to 0, then I simply push that thing in my answer, that's plus equal to di. If my di equal to dj, means left is means both the push dominoes are same, either they can be left and left or right and right. In that case, I'm just converting, this is the, I'm just converting them to the one which they are equal. So over here, if they are left left, so I'm converting all of them to the left. If they are right right, so I'm converting all of them to the right right. So this is fine. Then so this is fine. If di is equal to left and dj equal to rar, that mean middle one will remain same, right? This case that we have discussed, left one is pushed toward the left and right one is pushed toward the right. So this case, and this is our last case. Left one is pushed toward the right and left one is pushed toward the left. Sorry, yeah, right one is pushed toward the left. Then what I'm doing over here, half of them I'm converting toward to the right, half of them I'm converting to the to the left, and middle one is, if if number of dots are odd, then middle one will remain same as dot, and I am appending that thing in my answer. And at the end I am making I equal to j, basically moving my right left pointer to the end till the point I have processed the entire array. Let me run this. Let me submit it. Okay, it got submitted. So I hope you understand this problem. Thank you very much.